Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.25-inch IPS touchscreen special Android 11 system special for Audi A4, A5, S5, S4, 29 to 2016 years. Okay, you can check this screen head unit. Let me show honey set first. Okay, you can check this dash kit. This kit. 1, 2, 3. Connect the original. Okay. And this cover metal. Full screen original. And the screen is already included with package together. Okay. This is special harness and small speaker. This small speaker. This field box. You can check. This field box. Okay, and this harness. Plug and play. And this audio in AUX connector already connected, and this AUX input left and right. This connect our back of head unit, and this video input, and this rear camera input RC type. Okay. And let me check wire. This camera 12 voltage and ACC input 12 voltage. Okay, and this camera detect wire. Okay. This adapter already comes with head unit. This connects on this position, you can check. This dangerous button adapter. And if you pull out, it fits OEM desire. Okay. And this original USB. This external microphone. This LVDS 12 voltage. This microphone. And this connector and back of head unit. These two USB cable. This USB LAN cable you can check. Okay. And this audio out AUX cable. And this 4G antenna connector and back of head unit. And this GPS antenna. Let me check. They have a 4G SD. This 4G SD card slot. This 4G slot. Okay, you can check. This Snapdragon 662 chip and A4, A5, 29 to 2016 years. Okay, RAM 6 GB and ROM 128 GB and high resolution CE and ROS. This 4G, you can check connection. And this GPS. This power, this USB. And this is the kit cover. This microphone and reset hole. Okay. Let me check how you can connect power cable. And this USB, original USB and external microphone. You can connect this port. You can pull out, pull in. Okay. Okay, let me connect power. Okay, connected and USB. Okay, let me check the front tree. Okay, it show Bluetooth. Okay. You can check it have navigation, Bluetooth, music, video dashboard. You can adjust the color. Okay. Back to home. Brightness you can adjust. This is screenshot. This is Audi logo. Okay, let me check the find the apps. All apps are here. This is the link app for Android and Apple CarPlay. Wireless mirroring. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The settings. Apple CarPlay. Okay, and it's built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store, and Google Maps, Google Voice Search. Let me check the settings. Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi. It supports 4G, and it comes with 4G antenna, and the 4G is 4G slot. Okay, connected. It's very fast connection. It supports mobile network 4G hotspot from your phone. Storage, you can check total 128. Let me try again. Okay. Let me check the Snapdragon 6. Let me check again. Snapdragon 662 chip. Android 11. Okay. Maps. And let me check the setting. This system. This music. You can play music. System. System info, you can check RAM 6 GB and ROM storage 128 GB. This Android settings, factory settings, password 1314. This vehicle A4 car display. You can choose the correct car display. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Thank you.